Okay, let's have a look at this. Brand name is Chevron. The name of the actual thing is, the actual light is called LED Anywhere Handy Lamp. Ideal for camping and closet lighting. Simple to use rubber button switch. 3-mode switch for lighting and warning functions. Strong magnetic mount and 360 swivel steel handle. Three-mode switch, 3 LED white. Then you can also switch it to 6 LED white, and then to 3 LED blinking, and I think they're red. Alright, good old Leatherman Wave 2000 model. So I've had this for what, 11 years now, still going strong. Okay, that metal ring, I think that's actually plastic. I think the whole construction of all of it is plastic except for the hanger and the magnet. That opens up quite easily. Alright, there seems to be a little compartment there which is empty, so I don't know, maybe you can use it for some storage or something. Alright, 3, 6, emergency signal red, off. I reckon that's not too bad a little product. Alright, if I remember correctly, this cost me nope, that's the wrong receipt. What did I do with it? Alright, hold on a second guys. Yep, at the Big W department store, which in the US would be very similar to Walmart. Chevron Anywhere lamp, $6.88. So not a bad buy. I'll turn the lights off. So 3. 6. And emergency flashing red. So whenever you're in department stores, go into the battery and flashlight torch camping area section, and always check out new products. You just never know what you may find. $7. Not bad at all. That is definitely going to go in with the rest of my camping kit. And I suppose you could stand it up. Yeah, that works. Could also have one in the car. If your car's broken down, put that on the ground about 100 meters from where your car is, so that another vehicle doesn't crash into you. And if you're working on the motor or something like that, you can hang this from somewhere, I'm sure. I'm glad I bought this. Alright, see you guys.